smaller, so if you want to size up, I can give you that material.
Smile.
Try this.
That
And
is
again,
pretty good.
the looser.
You look like a seal.
You're looking good, John.
Wait, can I get a picture of yours? Now I go get dressed, right? That's what she said.
Yes.
Looking good, guys. Looking good.
I put this inside out, and it's kind of loose way as I can, but I'm going to talk about a lot of stuff, and so don't be intimidated. Try not to be overwhelmed. If that starts to happen, just raise your hand and ask a question, because nothing should be too scary. A little topping off. You'll see when we top them off, they've got 9 compartments. And for that, it's not like a canoe paddle where you'll do nice and lackadaisical finesse strokes. It's reaching out in front of you, grabbing like 2 or 3 feet of water, and pulling it back. Makes sense? Super.
Not a lot of people ride.
Really?
You guys
It's gotta be in one.
do you wanna?
Picture of the water down here. Oh, this is cool too.
So that's just being washed away when they. You guys are so funny.
I figured that I'd forget to like adjust the seat back and then do that. She was in here. Oh my gosh, look at you! That's in your life. My little demo, man. Stay back. Move ahead.
That's pretty good. Let's do it again.
How did you get into this thing?
My parents had a camp.
Nice work, guys. Battle, high five, battle. Yeah. Nice work, guys.
Jack.
Yeah, we put you away. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
That's okay, I'm getting you all right now. That's right. Oh, goody.
Oh, are we coming in? You want me backwards?
No facing.
All right.
And I'm gonna
that makes me want to jump out of this boat, but nice.
Times I went
Smile, you're on camera.
big raft.
It's okay, you don't have to turn away. That does look good, Luke.
Okay.
Oh, it's delish.
Is it good?
Represents life and how there's different parts of the river. So like during the day, when we were on the calm part of the river, it wasn't a big deal. We were just having a good time just going. And then there are other times where we rapid.
Okay, did you guys have fun today? Yeah! Did you like your guides? Yeah! Do you want to come again? Yeah!